Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, on this channel, I am always out there trying to find new tools, stuff that you guys can be able to use to improve your trading, to so that you can also be able to make some money off the markets. So today is just one of those videos. I found a tool that I think you can be able to also use to enhance your trading. I'm not saying that it's going to turn you into a millionaire overnight. No, there's no such thing. But I believe it's going to greatly aid in your trading. That's why I'm bringing it to your attention. Whether you want to use it or you don't want to use it, well, it's just basically up to you. But I'm just showing you what I found out there and what you can be using. If you want to use it, it's now up to you. So here is the tool that I found for you. Let's just go to indicators. We're going to search for trader X or macro trend. We're going to use this tool today. Is just at the time of this video, it just says just above 1,000 installs. So it's making progress. It means people are getting to look at it and test it out, and so we'll see. So we're just going to add it to our chart, and it's a free indicator. It's a free indicator. Everything that we do on this channel, we hate paying for things and we hate buying stuff. That's why everything that we do on this channel is for free. So if you are new on this channel, go ahead and subscribe. That's how you are not going to miss any of our future videos. If you like this kind of content, how about you like the video? You don't lose anything, but it means a whole lot to me, because I get then to understand the kind of videos that you guys enjoy watching on this channel. If you have any requests, questions, you can always leave them in the comment section below. If you're also looking to download other tools, robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are also links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. The broker that I use, many people are always asking me that question. The link is in the description box below. I've been with them for more than 5 years now, and I've not had any problems regarding deposits and withdrawals, I think, which says a lot about them. They are an award-winning broker, by the way, and one of their best offers is that with just $5 you can open a real live trading account, which you can use to test robots, strategies, and everything that people are telling you out there, without putting too much money on the line, and in a real market conditions. People love demo, but anyway, people do what people want to do in any case. But anyway, so go ahead and sign up with them. The link is in the description box below. Let's get back to our video. So this is the tool that I'm introducing it to you today. I don't know if you already knew about it, but it's a nifty, cool tool that I found for you. I think it basically makes your trading kind of very easy here. Yeah, even with the default settings, even by itself, you kind of have an idea of what's happening. You kind of have an idea of what's taking place here, and what should you be doing, and what should not be, you should not be doing. So it's called the Trader Exo Macro Trend Scanner for people who are asking. We're just going to basically dabble with the default settings. So I'm on the 1 hour time frame here. What you can do with this, if you are a person who love to scalp, because that's what we are talking about today. If you love to scalp, you can basically see what it does on the 1 hour time frame. Then you can basically drop down to your favorite time frame. Is it 5 minute? Is it scalping on the 5 minute? If you love scalping on the 5 minute, some people love to scalp on the 1 minute, some on the 15. If you're on the 5 minute, you see you could have taken a sell there, and you could have been in some good money. Let's just take a short position here. You could have been, well, let's say we're looking for 1:2, because we're scalping. We don't want to waste our time trying new things or a whole lot of things. By the way, this is we are still, this is a real life market. This is a real life market. I'm not back testing. Today is the 5th of September 2022. So this is actually just an example on a real life market. It's Euro USD on the 5 minute time frame. So if you had taken a sell there, you could have been in some good profit by now, and you could have decided whether you want to close the trade or whether you want to let it go and hit your TP. But basically, that would have been a good trade. For a buy trade there, we would have, let's say, bought, because I usually love to skip the first candle. So, and tip stop loss, I would usually want to put it at the previous lows and aim for a 1:5 or 1:2. Our 1:2 would have been here in this scenario. In this scenario, our 1:2 would have been in here. So you would have won that trade if you had put your stop loss at these previous lows and you bought around at the next candle after the signal appeared. You would have been a scary moment there, but then it still went your way. So that's basically how you are going to be using this tool. And you can see here we've not even added any filters, because that's one thing that I also love to add when scalping. I also want to add some filters. Here the sell would probably have taken you out at stop loss. That's scalping. You are going to win some trades and you are going to lose some trades. You just have to make sure that the ones that you win are more than the ones that you will lose. Probably would have set my stop loss there, so I probably would have aimed for a 1:2, and it will probably have taken me out there. Just in case somebody thinks, no, you always you want to only pick the examples that favor you, but no, I admit in this situation you would have probably taken a loss, but you'd have recovered it here, and hopefully you'd have recovered it there, as long as your profits are keeping ahead of your losses. Then you are a profitable trader. And then here obviously you would have taken a loss, but here you would have recovered it. Now, how do you avoid these situations? How do you avoid these situations of the losses? Of course, you are not going to avoid losses. And here you can see our TP would have been hit there. Our TP would have been hit. Of course, you are not going to be able to avoid losses in trading. But what you can do, some steps that you can take to limit the losses, is before you go to the 5 minute or 1 minute time frame, what you want to do is understand what's happening on the 1 minute, on the 1 hour, sorry, on the 1 hour, or understand what's happening on the 30 minute. What's happening on the 30 minute? What's happening with the trend? So here you can say that our sell panned out because what, we had a bearish candle, a massive bearish candle that went down. So we were trading with the higher time frame movement momentum, And here you would say our trade played out. Why? Because we're moving with a higher time frame momentum. That's what you probably want to do in that scenario. For example, in this whole scenario, you on the higher time frame, this is 30 minute. On the 30 minute, we are looking at a bearish movement there. You find that most likely the buys in this scenario will be losses, or there'll be little profit in the buys because the momentum is actually pushing down, but the sales will be winning in that scenario. So without putting any filters there, just that idea that what the higher time frame is doing, then we trade in that direction of the higher time frame. If the higher time frame is like this, is selling, then when we drop down to the 5 minute time frame, when we drop down to the 5 minute time frame, we are only looking for opportunities for sales. We are only looking for opportunities for sales. We are only looking for opportunities for sales. So you probably would have sold and gotten out and waited for an opportunity to do another sell. You get out, another sell, you get out, another sell, you get out, and another sell, definitely you get out, another sell, you get out, and then you again wait, and here definitely the more and more candles are on the bullish side, signaling that something is probably up on the higher time frame. Then you probably want to shift and just go and look at the higher time frame, what's going on. So that's basically this strategy. Now you can also add some more filters. For example, a popular way is to add RSI. You can basically add RSI, and what I usually love to do is just to remove that and basically keep things the way they are. So you basically also use RSI. If the RSI is below our middle line, we are looking for sales. If it breaks through this bottom line, we are also looking for sales. If the RSI is above our middle line there, it's probably not a good idea to be looking for sales in that scenario. So you can find some ways to what to filter out any bad trades. RSI, the MACD, or the stochastic. So yeah, that's basically about this cool indicator, and hopefully you can use it to make some money. Guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.